What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Not Dumb Money. In today's video, we will talk about Tesla. We all know Tesla's stock blew up last year. Blew up might be an understatement. Tesla grew 743% in just 1 year. Why did the stock grow so much and so fast? When did it happen exactly? Well, we'll turn back the clock and look at what 2020 was like for Tesla. We'll walk through 2020 month by month so that we can understand what happened and how investors reacted. But first, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love to do this full time and come up with more videos more often, but I need your support to do that. Please subscribe, help grow the channel, and give me the privilege of being able to create more videos for you. If you're already a subscriber, hey, I appreciate you. All right then. So, Tesla ended 2019 with a stock price of $83.67. I should say that although Tesla's stock split did not take effect until the end of August, I'm going to talk about the stock on a split adjusted basis throughout, just to keep things consistent. Okay, so $83.67. That's how Tesla started 2020. Tesla started the year by saying they produced a record 104,891 vehicles and delivered 112,000 vehicles in the previous quarter. Cue the hype. Before the end of January, Tesla was the second most valuable automaker in the world, second only to Toyota. They announced their earnings before the end of the month, easily beating Wall Street's estimates and posting their first annual profit ever. By the end of January, Tesla's stock was already up a whopping 55% to $130.11. The buzz continued early February, pushing the stock even higher. But a string of bad news sent the stock crashing down. Tesla said deliveries from its plant in Shanghai would be delayed. It then said that the coronavirus outbreak would hold up production. Morgan Stanley said Tesla stock was expensive. The BBC questioned whether Tesla's stock was really worth $150 billion. So by the end of February, Tesla stock was at $133.60, up just 3% from January, but up 60% year to date. In March, Tesla started deliveries of the Model Y SUV crossover in the US, and they hit a milestone of 1 million cars produced. But March wasn't a good month for Tesla. The pandemic was starting to seriously impact operations. Despite arguing with officials for a few days, Elon Musk and Tesla agreed to stop production in California to comply with stay-at-home orders. By the end of March, Tesla stock was down to $104.08, down 22% in just 1 month, but still up 24% year to date. Tesla started April with a bang. They announced that they delivered 88,300 vehicles during the first 3 months of the year, beating expectations. Elon Musk also said Tesla should still comfortably deliver more than 500,000 vehicles in 2020. And despite factory shutdowns in the US and China, Tesla reported a surprise profit for the first quarter of 2020. The one piece of bad news was that deliveries of the Tesla Semi, which was first revealed in 2017, would be delayed to 2021. All in all, Tesla stock grew 50% in April to $156.38. Year to date, Tesla was up 87%. In May, and in a move to push sales, Tesla slashed prices of its Model 3, Model S, and Model X. Oh, and Elon Musk continued to spar with California officials, threatening to leave California. He said he will defy local orders and restart production. Competition in China with traditional automakers, whose sales were lagging due to the pandemic, were starting to heat up. And in response, Tesla lowered the price of the Model 3 in the country. Tesla's stock continued to grow, hitting $167 at the end of May, up 7% for the month and 100% year to date. And now we're in June. In June, Tesla and its Model S is now the first electric vehicle to get 400 miles on a single charge. But the main piece of news from June was that Tesla was set to announce a second US factory. Texas was at the front of the line, offering Tesla all kinds of incentives to select their state as a location for this second factory. Just before the end of June, an email from Elon Musk sent to his employees was leaked. The email urged employees to go all out with production and deliveries and said that breaking even is looking super tight. You would think that this sounded bad, but investors didn't care. By the end of June, Tesla stock was up to $215.96, up 29% for the month and up 158% year to date. Tesla started July by announcing it had delivered 90,650 cars over the past quarter, again, beating estimates. Later in July, Tesla announced their quarterly earnings, and although analysts expected a loss for the quarter, Tesla was able to achieve its fourth straight quarter in profits and its first full year of profits. And that started all the talk around including Tesla in the S&P 500 index. This pushed the stock up 33% for the month, up to $286.15. Year to date, Tesla was up 242%. In August, Tesla announced that it was going for a 5-for-1 stock split. Their stock shot up after the announcement, and the stock split took effect August 31st. And when markets closed that day, Tesla was at $498.32. That's a growth of 74% for the month and 496% year to date. The hype from the stock split started to ease up in early September, but Tesla announced that they will sell stock to raise up to $5 billion. They definitely wanted to cash in on the stock's rally. But September 8th was the worst day ever for Tesla stock. The stock dropped 21% in just one day. That's the single worst day drop for the stock since its IPO. Why? The S&P 500 decided not to add the stock to its index. Later that month, Elon Musk said that advances in battery technology that would reduce their cost by more than 50% would allow Tesla to make a $25,000 car in just 3 years. In a separate announcement, Elon Musk also said that Tesla stopped counting Cybertruck orders. He said that Tesla had over 500,000 orders, or maybe 600,000. He said production will start next year out of the new factory in Texas, and the volume would be 250,000 to 300,000 trucks per year. And just before September came to a close, Elon Musk said that although the stock price is high, he thinks it'll be worth more than this in 5 years. But all of Elon Musk's spin couldn't reverse the impact of the S&P 500 overlooking Tesla. The stock was down 14% for the month, but still up 413% year to date. Tesla started October by dropping the price of the Model 3 in China by another 10% and announcing that they had delivered 139,300 vehicles during the previous quarter. They also produced 145,036 vehicles, which was a new quarterly record. Tesla was busy in October. They announced their acquisition of German ATW Automation, a company that develops battery production assembly lines for automakers. In its solar business, which I haven't really talked about until now, Tesla increased the price of its Powerwall, its home battery pack. In mid-October, S&P upgraded Tesla's debt ratings, bringing it closer to investment grade. Tesla continued slashing prices, this time cutting the price of the Model S in both the US and China. Just after Lucid Motors announced that their Lucid Air will sell for $77,400, Elon Musk tweeted that the gauntlet has been thrown down and said that the Model S will sell for $69,420. It wasn't all price cuts for buyers, though. Tesla canceled its 1-week return and refund policy in October. Tesla also started the beta rollout of its full self-driving feature. In its last earnings announcement before the end of 2020, Tesla delivered a profit yet again, and yet again beat analyst estimates. They reaffirmed their target of 500,000 deliveries for the year, and in the most positive sign of all, their gross margin started to expand significantly. Tesla ended October with a stock price of $388.04. The stock dropped for the second month in a row. It was down 10% for the month, but still up for the year, up 364%. In November, reviews of Tesla's full self-driving started coming in, and they were mixed. And Elon Musk revealed in a Twitter interview that during the Model 3 ramp between mid-2017 and mid-2019, Tesla was about a month away from bankruptcy. Oh, we also got the Tesla tequila in November. Toyota started throwing some shade when their president said that Tesla has not created a real business. He reminded his audience that while Tesla is targeting 500,000 deliveries, his target is 7.5 million. Also in November, we started seeing Model 3 yellow cabs in New York. And then, investors got the news they wanted to hear. Tesla will join the S&P 500. The news was confirmed, and a target date of December 21st was set. Wall Street was coming around too. Morgan Stanley upgraded Tesla to buy for the first time since 2017. Before November ended, Tesla's market cap surpassed Berkshire Hathaway. Tesla became the sixth largest U.S. company by market cap, hitting $555 billion. As November came to an end, Tesla was up 46% for the month to $567.60. Year to date, Tesla was up 578%. All right, we finally made it to December. Quite the year so far, huh? December was all about the final push to meet the target of 500,000 deliveries. Tesla started by pitching leases of existing models to Cybertruck reservation holders. Oh, and a word got out that Elon Musk was telling his friends that he was planning on moving to Texas. A few days later, it turned out that he had already moved. Tesla announced it was raising another $5 billion, its second capital raise in 3 months, and again, it was raising the money from selling stock. The stock price was sky high, and it's pretty obvious Tesla wanted to capitalize on that. And in yet another leaked email from Elon Musk to his employees, it looked like Tesla was seeing strong demand, but it needed to increase production to hit its target of 500,000 deliveries. And in somewhat of a random tweet, Elon Musk said that he had reached out to the Apple CEO Tim Cook when Tesla was struggling to discuss selling Tesla for a tenth of its current value. He said Tim Cook refused to take the meeting. Just before the year ended, Tesla announced that it was getting ready to operate in India in early 2021. Tesla said that it will start with sales and will explore assembling and manufacturing in the country as well. As the year ended and the countdown to 2021 started, Tesla stock hit $705.67. That's up 24% for the month and an astounding 743% for the year. What a ride! Pun intended. I bought some Tesla stock back in March 2019 and again in May 2019. I sold a bit in May 2020, but I still hold the majority of my position. The position grew from less than 2% of my portfolio to around 6% today. As for what I might do now, I'm not entirely sure. Yet. I'm thinking of trimming my position, but I'm not sure when or if I'll even do it. And on that note, we're done here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got this far, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on Tesla? Do you own their stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe. Your support is literally everything, and it really, really helps me out. As always, it's been a pleasure. Much love. Peace.